Very good morning, students. Hope you enjoyed yesterday. Okay, so now after refreshing, students, now back to the studies. Okay. So now, students, we are going to. I'm going to take the next topic of the chapter number 2, that is the globe, longitude and latitude. Okay, chapter number 2, globe, longitude and latitude. Okay, the next topic I'm going to take is what are the longitudes. Okay, till now we have understood about the latitude. Okay, now what is the use of longitude? How the longitude is useful to locate the any place on the earth. Okay, so here students, longitudes are also required to know the longitudes are also needed to know the location of any place. Okay, and it is also helpful for the precise location. Okay, only with the help of latitude we cannot find the perfect or the exact location. Okay, so that's why we need the longitude. Okay, with the help of longitude we can find the precise location. Am I clear to you all, students? Okay, so which are the longitudes? Okay, longitudes are nothing but, okay students, so longitudes are nothing but the lines from north to south. Okay, the lines from north to south, they are known as the meridians of longitudes. Okay, and all these lines are parallel to each other. Okay students, all these lines are parallel to each other, and these parallel lines are known as the meridians of longitudes. Okay students, these parallel lines are called the parallel lines from north to south. These lines are called meridians of longitude. And as I told you, why we need the longitudes? Because in order to find the precise and the perfect location, we need the longitudes. Clear? Okay, so all the meridians or all the longitudes are of the equal size. Okay, all the meridians are of the equal size, so we cannot give the numbers to each and every longitude. Okay, we cannot give the numbers. Why we cannot give the numbers, students? We cannot give the numbers because all the longitudes are of equal size, all the longitudes are of same size, so we cannot give the numbers. Okay, so one should count the start from the where the question arises in your mind that, sir, from where we should start the counting. Okay, so we should start the counting from the Greenwich. Okay, Greenwich is the prime meridian. Okay, Greenwich, where the British Royal Observatory is located. Okay, the Greenwich is the place where the British Royal Observatory is located. Okay, and on that basis we measure the time. So that's why when we talk about the longitudes, then starting will be, the counting will be start from Greenwich. Okay, and this Greenwich is also called as the prime meridian, and it also consists 0 degree. Okay, in the value of the prime meridian is 0 degree longitude. Okay, when I talk about the value of the prime meridian, so the value of the prime meridian is 0 degree longitude. Okay, so when we start the counting of longitudes, we start from the prime meridian or Greenwich. Okay, so this divides the earth into two parts, that is the eastern hemisphere and the western hemisphere. Eastern hemisphere, the hemisphere which is located in the east side, that is called eastern hemisphere, and the hemisphere that is located in the west side is called western hemisphere. Okay, so one thing we can conclude from this topic, students. Which thing we can conclude? The thing we can conclude is longitude and latitude both are very important, both are very crucial for the search of any place, to find out the any place. Okay, to find out the exact location of any place, latitude and longitude both are very very necessary. Okay, for example, if I want to find the Dwarika, Okay, in Gujarat, if I want to find out the Dwarika, so with the help of longitude and latitude I can find it out. Okay, proper longitude, and at proper longitude and latitude I can find out the Dwarika. Okay, so that's it about the longitude. Now students, I hope you understood about very well about the longitudes. Okay, now the next topic we are going to take is associated with the time. Okay, is associated with the time. Okay, it is also associated with the longitude as well as time, because longitude and time both are connected to each other. So next topic we are going to take is the longitude and time. Okay, because time is connected with longitude, so next topic we are going to take is longitude and time. Okay. Okay, as you know students, the earth does the rotation on its axis. Okay, so we can measure the time by the movement of the earth. We can measure the time by the movement of the earth. Okay, the moon and the planets. Okay, sometime when the watch was not invented, the wall clock was not invented at that time, the sun dial was also very important. Okay, so the sun was the useful tool in the earlier time. Sun was the useful tool to measure the time. Okay, so we can say that the sun is the best timekeeper in the world in the earlier period when clock was not invented. Okay, but now clock is invented, but how can we find out the time? That is the point. Okay, and how the different country adopted the various uh, different time. Okay, how the various countries have adopted their own and different times. Okay, so as the earth rotates from west to east, okay, as the earth rotates from west to east, so we can say that the places those who are at the east, okay, the places those who are at the east of Greenwich, okay, the places those who are at the east of the Greenwich, they are ahead of time in compare of those places which are at the west of the Greenwich. Okay, so we can say that in short, the places at the east are ahead than the places of the west. Okay, in comparison of Greenwich, the places which are at the east are ahead in the timing than the places at the west. Okay, am I clear to you student? Okay, once again I repeat you, the places which are located at the east of the Greenwich are ahead in the time than the places located at the west. Okay, so for example, if you are located at the east, then you are ahead than your friend if your friend is located in the west. Okay students. Okay, so we can also measure the rate of difference. Okay, how much time is difference? Okay, what is the difference of time? That also we can measure. Okay, so how can we measure? So that we can measure with the help of the earth. Okay, how can we measure? Okay, so you know all that the earth rotates 360 degree. Okay, the earth rotates like this 360 degree in 24 hours. Okay, in the rotation and revolution chapter, you will see, okay, the earth makes the rotation of 360 degree. Okay, earth rotates on its axis. Okay, and it makes the rotation of 360 degree. It means complete 360 degree, complete round. Okay, in 24 hours, which means what will the count within 1 hour? It will count 15. Okay, which means in 1 hour it will rotate 15 degree. Okay, in 1 hour it will rotate, the earth will rotate 15 degree. Okay students, in 24 hour the earth will rotate 360 degree. So it means in 1 hour the earth will rotate 15 degree. Okay, and in 4 seconds, 4 minutes, in 4 minutes the earth will rotate 1 degree. Okay, in 4 minutes the earth will rotate 1 degree. Okay, so we can say that when it is at 12 noon at the Greenwich, okay, when it is 12 noon, 12 o'clock afternoon at Greenwich, so At the east of Greenwich, it will be 1 p.m. Okay, at the east of Greenwich, at that time it will be 1 p.m. and at the west of Greenwich, it will be 11 p.m. Sorry, a.m. 11 a.m. Okay, when there will be a 12 o'clock, 12 noon at Greenwich, so at the same time, at the east of Greenwich, it will be 1 p.m. and at the west of the Greenwich, it will be 11 a.m. Am I clear to you, students? As I told you before a few minutes, okay, few minutes ago, that the places which are at the east, they are one hour ahead, and the places which are at the west, they are one hour behind, okay, in the timing. So that will be very clear to you. Okay, it should be very clear to you. Okay, now the students, one more very interesting thing. Do you know that the India has adopted the Indian Standard Time? Okay, we have adopted the standard time. Okay, so now can you guess, students, why we have adopted the standard timing? Can't we survive, can't we run the country without standard timing? No, we cannot. Why? Because if we have not adopted the standard timing, so in our country, in different various places, okay, in the various places, all the people will follow different types of timing. Okay, like some will follow 11 hours, 11 o'clock, some will follow 11:15, some will follow 11:30, some will follow 11:45. So there will be no uniformity in the timing. So in order to maintain the uniformity of timing, the India has adopted the standard timing. Okay, India has adopted the standard timing. Okay, so that makes the uniform time. Okay, so it is also helpful to prepare the timetable of the various trains and buses. Okay, because if different timings are there, then it will be very difficult or maybe impossible to prepare the timetable. Okay, but if the uniform timing will be there, then it will be very easy to prepare the timetable. Okay, so in India, we have adopted the standard timing, student, as 82 and a half degree east longitude. Okay, we have adopted as a 82 and a half degree east longitude. This we have adopted as the standard timing of India, and it is located in the Uttar Pradesh, Mirzapur. Okay, this timing we have taken as the standard timing. It means whatever the timing in that clock, okay, in the Uttar Pradesh, Mirzapur, that timing will be followed in the whole country. Okay, for example, if in that clock, if it will be 1 hour and 30 minutes, then in the whole country, the 1 o'clock and 1 hour and 30 minutes will be followed in the whole country, in all the states of India. Okay, so it will it very clear to you, students? Okay, now next, one more thing. In India also there is a time difference of 1 hour and 45 minutes. Okay, as you know, students, the sun rises from the east and sets in the west. Okay, so when we talk about the India, in terms of India, when the sun rises, first of all, it rises in the Arunachal Pradesh. Why? Because in Arunachal Pradesh, it will be Arunachal Pradesh is in the east direction of India and Gujarat is in the west direction of India. So sun rises in the Arunachal Pradesh and sets in the Gujarat. Okay, when it is in the direction of Gujarat. So the time difference between Arunachal Pradesh and Gujarat is 1 hour and 45 minutes. Okay, so Arunachal Pradesh is ahead in time and Gujarat is behind in time. Okay, up to 1 hour and 45 minutes. Clear? Okay. So what about the standard timing of India, students? The India is ahead of Greenwich. Okay, when you talk about the India, so India is GMT plus 5:30. India is GMT plus 5:30. It means Greenwich Mean Time. The full form of GMT is, students, Greenwich Mean Time. Okay, India is 5:30 hours ahead of the other Western countries. Okay, so when there will be a 7:30 p.m. in India. Okay, when there will be a 7:30 p.m. at evening in India, at the same time in London it will be a 2 o'clock afternoon 2 o'clock. At that time in London it will be afternoon 2 o'clock. At the same time in India it will be evening 7:30 o'clock, 7:30 p.m. So India is ahead of London up to 5 hours and 30 minutes. Okay. Now, students, we have adopted only one standard timing, okay, but apart from India, the other vast, some of the big and very large countries are there, some of the vast countries are there, like China, Russia, okay, Canada, okay. So they also adopted more than one timings, okay. So they are having more than one time zones, okay. So even in Russia, the Russian people have adopted more than 11 time zones. Okay, the Russia has adopted 11 standard time. Okay, and in the Earth has been divided into 24 time zones. Okay, when we talk about the Earth is divided into 24 time zones, 24 different time zones. Okay, because the Earth rotates 360 degree in 24 hours. That's why the Earth is divided into different type of 24 time zones. Okay, and Russia is the country who is having the highest number of time zones, highest number of standard timing, students, that is 11 time zones. Okay, students, I think we are very clear on this longitude, latitude, okay, different type of heat zones, okay, the relation between the longitude and time, how can we measure the time difference, okay, what will be the difference between the timing of India and other countries, what is Greenwich, what is prime meridian, okay, what is axis. So in all the things we are very clear. Okay, students, so goodbye, take care and stay connected. Okay, thank you so much.